Oh, hell is dry. Pyro, help me! Help! 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 Ah! Me bloody noggin, demo man! My ass needs a good cleaning. Eat my ass.
What? No!
But I have money!
Oh.
Hey! No, 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 no.
Say goodbye to your head, chucklehead.
No, no, no,
You're getting dominated.
oh, I put in your access. Fuck both of you. I'm going back to stalling. But demo, your job has been cancelled.
You're doomed to die alone, Pyro. You're getting knocked. All right, soldier. What? I'm on fire.
Let me give you some whatever. Damn it! I have no text. Ah, much better.
Soldier, this cripple.
You are a skirt-twirling drunk.
Yes. It's not possible.
I was about to change the music.
What? Damn it, boys! Heavy, if you don't stop dancing, I'm gonna blast off your ass. That's it. Move.
No, 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 no.
I think I'll take Sasha out for a steak dinner tonight. Gimme. Go. All right.